Oh crap, this is a video. Now well. Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. We're here at the Tuzagut something. No, Tuzagut's the name of a national monument south of here. The Tunasit ruins at the Grand Canyon National Park. It's pretty nice in here. Reminds me of that botanical garden we went to in Acadia, except dry and filled with agricultural ruins. Utah juniper.
That's berries they used to make gin from.
Cool. Gin's always fun, right?
Oh yeah.
Especially with tonic. What is tonic anyway? Is it like a soda water?
Yeah, it's just soda water. It doesn't syrup, but it's still sugar. Sometimes they add a mineral called quinine.
Huh.
I think it's a mineral.
There's something up over here. Over here. Food for the Pueblo.
I want to be like up. Is it out in the desert?
Well, it's not. It doesn't feel like a desert right now. Ah, cool, a kiva. I read about these in one of my history classes at Middlesex. But yeah, this is where they used to store stuff and make fires and stuff like that.
Stand around and worship the fire.
I don't think they did that.
Oh, the city was used for ceremonies.
So over here is the plaza, like the ones we have back home, except this plaza is made out of stone and whatnot. That's pretty cool. Ah, cool. All right, guys, we'll have to stop it from there. We'll see you in a little bit.